How to add event to calendar in Moto G8 Plus. So let's start from the open the calendar. In my case it will be Google Calendar, as you can see. Click on this marker, now on the event again, and here you can name your event. In my case, for example, it will be hard reset. Here you can choose the day when your event is going to start, so I will take this one. And there is a couple other options like add notification, descriptions, change the color. So I hope that I help you guys. If you like it, please leave likes, subscriptions and comments below. See you in the next videos.